Today we are going to cut 60 mm stainless steel with a water jet cutter. Stainless steel is a very hard material, so we will use a high-pressure water jet with 420 megapascal and coarse abrasive. The cut was clean and precise. It took only 10 minutes to complete the whole cutting. Cutting speed is 40 mm per minute, and the whole tool path is 140 mm. The water cut jet is a versatile machine that can almost cut everything, including metal, stone, plastic, even the food. And it is a powerful tool for the precision cutting. Any question about this?